Cooking in an open air, this woman says she has nowhere to go with her kids. This is the case of several families in the Bessengue neighborhood, Douala 1 subdivision, who have had their houses destroyed in a demolition exercise launched by the Douala City Council. According to the victims, they have been living on the site for more than 42 years.
Il dit que nous sommes rentrés ici en 1982.
We came here in 1982. Despite the swampy nature of the area, we decided to construct our houses here. We had to put in lots of money, especially when building the foundation. We know the government is aiming for emergence come 2035, but then we should be compensated. The senior divisional officer had promised that we will be compensated, but to my greatest surprise, nothing has been given to us. They are demolishing houses that are not even close to the road.
Et là où nous sommes présentement, là, nous on n'a pas de problème de ce côté. Voilà là où le tuyau de Pablam passe.
We had 2 apartments here, one for my parents and the other for my siblings and I. With the situation now, everyone is looking for where to stay.
Having had their houses all destroyed, the victims decry the fact that they have not been indemnified. The demolition exercise, supervised by the First Assistant Senior Divisional Officer of Wuri, Guy Emmanuel Chamga, started in the early hours with a bulldozer bringing down houses. The authorities say the destruction is for the construction of pipelines.
Nous agissons dans le cadre de la libération de l'emprise du drain.
We plan constructing pipelines and drainage systems on the site. That is the reason why we had to demolish the houses. This pipeline will enable us to supply gas and petrol to the entire country. Before carrying out the demolition exercise, we had already held several meetings with the population and traditional rulers.
En présence des chefs traditionnels et des chefs de famille.
The victims say they only hope that the government allocates them a place to settle.